What's up, JE Empire? It's your girl Joy. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be celebrating my birthday. It was yesterday actually, but we're celebrating my birthday, going out to happy hour, just me and Justin. And I thought, what better way to celebrate my birthday than to prank Justin? So we are going to be putting a sign on the back of the car. It's going to tell people to honk at the car and try to get Justin's reaction. I think it's really going to irritate him. We're going in the downtown area, so I think I can get a lot of people to bite on this prank today. So tune in, spam the comments with Team Joy. And I'm whispering because Justin is in the shower getting ready. So I have to go get the sign ready to put on the back of the car. And I can't wait for you guys to see this reaction. Tune in.
I'm trying to see what the hell they blowing now. I'm like, what the fuck?
Hey! Oh my God. Really?
You think that was a neighbor?
Neighbor?
Yeah.
What do you think? They trying to flag you down? Say what's up?
I don't know, bro.
But she was just watering the grass.
They was in the Jeep though.
But she was watering the grass when we left the house. Think she was really trying to get your attention, huh?
Oh no, man. They in the Jeep though.
What they mean? You didn't go in the Jeep they made?
There had to be something though. They kept on.
They was trying to take my life. They can tell you what a nigga gets is trying to lie. Go to sleep, millions in his brain. They go through sometimes.
Why they hungry, baby? Did they look that shit? I don't know, baby.
What I do, man?
I don't know. I guess you a bad driver.
What, I break too hard or something? Shit. I'm trying to make sure I ain't hitting that much. Hit that.
Yeah. First of all, tell them niggas I ain't as fuck.
You waiting.
Cross they nuts on
No,
that.
is there something on the car or something?
No.
Like, what the fuck?
I don't know why they hungry.
Like, what the fuck?
Guys.
Yeah, I seen them, but what the fuck?
Back camera, whole dash digit on the interstate, out of state, getting high. You know I'm
I don't know, baby.
but ass niggas that a turtle on the race, out of state, getting high.
You put something on the car, man.
Sit down there right now, know the grind don't stop. You never did, you know the grind don't stop.
Ain't nobody saw hungry till you got it.
Onto Hamilton Street.
Pieces in pieces.
Bro, like, it gotta be something wrong with something, bro. What the fuck? Hey, I'm getting upset.
You getting upset?
Yeah.
Why?
90 people hungry and shit. What's going on?
I don't know.
You motherfucker. You motherfucker. Cuz, what is your problem? Do not do that no more. Like, cuz.
I've been trying to get people to honk at you for 2 days. Yesterday, when people were honking at you, I put it on the car.
I'm gonna kick your ass. Cuz, these motherfuckers been honking at me all day, man. Man, you play too much, bro. I'm thinking shit going crazy, man. I'm finna grab the pistol and everything, bro.
What you finna grab a gun for?
Cuz, man, did you see how the folks were honking at me?
Bro, they were just...
I'm like, man, what the fuck is going on? I'm like, what's wrong with them?
They were just honking. Say, Team Joy. Because even though I failed, I still won. Say, Team Joy.
Man, go on, man.
Come on, say Team Joy.
You play too much, bro.
Come on, say it one time.
It's alright.
Say Team Joy.
It's alright, bro.
Come on. You mad at me, babe? You want to talk to me?
Nah, I was finna pull over, too.
Where you was gonna pull over?
When that damn Jeep was behind me.
Oh my gosh, that had just started.
Yeah, I was finna cut, man. He kept on blowing that hot dog on horn. I'm like, man, what the hell wrong with this nigga, man?
Well, he's just scared to say Team Joy. Say I did a good job.
No.
I did do a good job because had the people honked the amount of times that I would have liked to really, really get you there, this would have been a great prank. But either way, I still got you upset. I had you bamboozled to what was going on for 2 days. People honking at you and you didn't know.
No, it wasn't 2 days.
Yes, it was 2 days. I did this yesterday.
Man, wasn't nobody honking at me yesterday.
Yes, it was. On the way to the doctor's office. You like, why did people keep honking at me? Everybody keep honking. I'm gonna lay on my horn all the way home. People was honking at you. They weren't honking at you the level they were honking at you today. But they definitely were honking at you yesterday. For 2 days I had people honking at you. And you didn't even know. Well, we finally made it back home from Grooves. The food was nasty. Let's start there.
It was hot.
It was hot. It was. The service was good. Before it got busy. Service was good. The food came out hot because we was like the first ones in there.
We was not.
Why we wasn't? Okay, we wasn't.
Well, you know how to tell the lie.
Anyways, we were some of the early ones in there. Let's say it like that. We got there and it wasn't as crowded as it was when we left. So the food came out hot. It was nasty as hell though. Look, it tastes like old batter.
What did you have? Oh, you had the chickens.
What did I have? We had the same thing.
Yeah.
And I put it in the video that it didn't look pleasing. The fries was burnt.
The fries was pretty good.
The fries that weren't burnt were good. They actually were. And the range was kind of good. But
which lie you want to tell?
no, the chicken was nasty. That ain't no lie. Maybe the whole meal wasn't nasty, but it didn't look appetizing when it came to the table. Burnt fries mixed in with the regular fries. Then you got wings that taste like old batter. It was just nasty. It was something about the wings. It had a little off taste. I didn't like that. Yeah, once it got crowded. Once it got a crowd in there, I liked it. But before, I kind of was debating on leaving and trying to find me somewhere else to go. But it was all right. I would have to go back later in the day. Like, if I ever do happy hour again, I would get there at about 6:30. What do you think?
You know I get up by 9.
Boy, you the main one talking about we need to get there at 4. That's when happy hour starts.
I was trying to be considerate for you.
What would you rate the place?
I gave him a 5.
Dang, a 5?
Yeah.
Tell them why you give him a 5.
I give him a 5 because I mean the chicken wasn't all that, and drinks. I mean, it was pretty mediocre.
Yeah, it was. So the reason we went because they had a $35 special. You got 2 hookah, 2 premium drinks, and a wing platter. And the premium drinks basically is you get top shelf liquor with a mixer. Basically, that's it. I'm thinking you get like a mixed drink or something like that, but it's just top shelf liquor and a mixer. And then if you want additional drinks like that, like a top shelf and a mixer, then it's $5 during happy hour. So all in all, we spent about $65 with gratuity and all that stuff. So we did this special, and then we got 3 more drinks. So we did about $65. But the drinks were Team Joy in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below any ideas of things you would like to see us do next, pranks you would like to see us do. But just let us know. You got anything back?
I ain't got nothing.
Nothing?
Mm-hmm.
No, Team Joy?
J.E. Empire.
Team Joy. I'll take it. All right, you guys. Well, until next time. Peace. You ain't gonna throw up your piece? You know what? You are so sore loser.